Hey, what's up guys? Summer is around the corner and maybe you've not gotten into working out yet, you're a beginner. So I wanted to share with you guys 5 tips that I wish I knew before I got into working out.
Let me tell you how I come through with the 1-2, kicking shit like kung fu.
So tip number 1, get a good gym membership, okay? 1, you want to be able to have a good amount and variety of equipment and machines. But 2, most importantly, you want to be surrounded by good vibes, okay? Be careful with the gyms that you pick with. You want to be surrounded by other people who are also serious about their goals. The energy that they have will reflect back onto you. Gold's Gym is a good one to start with. Don't be intimidated by all the bodybuilders. No matter what gym you pick with, you might get intimidated, so that's kind of normal anyways. But it's just part of the process. So just let it happen, get it over with, and move on. You won't get intimidated after that. Number 2, get a personal trainer. I don't care if it's me, your mom, or whatever. You want to have someone there with you who has experience and could show you the way. Obviously someone who's been there themselves and obviously made progress and has a little bit more knowledge than you do. So put in the investment and get a personal trainer. Number 3, diet. Diet is everything. It's what you eat that changes your composition. So you could have a 100% killer workout within that hour, 2 hours or whatever, but if you don't eat well within the rest of those 23 hours that you have left and sleep and all that, you're not gonna change well. I see it all the time. So diet is everything. Okay, number 4, stay consistent. Okay, repeat, repeat, repeat. One good meal is not gonna make you look good, and one bad meal is not gonna make you look bad either. So tally them up and keep going and work out and just be patient. Okay, and the last tip, number 5, is enjoy it. A lot of people aren't enjoying the process and they're rushing to get to their goal and lose those extra pounds or gain a couple pounds, and they're not really enjoying the process. If you notice, the best looking people always love going to the gym. They look forward to it every single day, and if they don't go to the gym, they feel like shit. So enjoy it, be patient, and you'll get to where you want to be, I promise. Okay, so those were my 5 tips for anyone who's getting back into fitness or just starting. Hopefully that helps. Go ahead and tag someone that you think this might help, or go ahead and send it, whatever. Other than that, good luck.